Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you how to use the dual capture mode on your iPhone 17. So actually, this option works both on the 17, 17 Pro and 17 Pro Max, so there is no really such a difference. So first, you need to open the camera app in your device, and you can here skip the tutorial if you have one. Now you have to move or just click with your finger the video mode. Here, once you are in the video mode, in the top right corner, you see there's 6 squares. Tap it, and now tap dual capture. Now, as you can see, here we do have this little picture of the front-facing camera, and now back-facing camera. As you can see, that's how it works. Here we can move this preview like this, and that's how it works. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye, have a nice day.